In today's world, work happens everywhere. But how do you ensure secure, high-performance connectivity from any location? Introducing Cloudbrink, the pioneer of personal SASE, secure access service edge, tailored for the work-from-anywhere digital nomads. Our solution leverages a high-performance network overlay and zero-trust network access technology to provide ultra-low latency fast access to web, SaaS, cloud, and on-prem applications. Using dark network principles, we create secure, deny-all firewalls at the user edge, ensuring only authorized access to specific resources. Unlike traditional solutions, Cloudbrink's software-only approach eliminates hardware dependencies, offering seamless deployment and scalability. Are you ready to replace your VPN, ZTNA, or SASE solution and experience a 30x boost in application performance and get robust security without compromising on ease of use? Fill out the Try Now form and you will get set up to experience the Cloudbrink service. Make sure you whitelist the cloudbrink.com and the cloudbrink.info email domain so you don't miss the instructions. Cloudbrink. Enjoy life and work. The new office is anywhere.